namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's picker card reading is about the secrets from the universe. So what the universe wants you to know, what secrets, okay, does the universe wants you to know. So that is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So close your eyes, let go of all the worries, take few deep breaths in and out, relax completely, and then select a butterfly that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the butterfly, green butterfly for group number 1. For group number 2, it's orange, and for group number 3 we have yellow butterfly. So let's see what secrets are coming your way, what secrets does the universe wants you to know. So yeah, so 1 2 3. So take your time, guys. If you need more time, please pause the video and take your time, and then select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box, so just watch accordingly. I am going to start with this one, green one. Group number 1, if you chose this green butterfly, let's see the secrets from the universe. So for the first, we will start with the tarot cards. Okay, we have 9 of cups, we have 3 of cups, and we have the world card. So for you guys, I feel your wishes might come true. Yeah, the seasons, 4 seasons. I'm getting Taurus, I'm getting Leo, I'm getting Scorpio, and I'm getting Aquarius. These are the 4 seasons where you can see your manifestations. Okay, for some of you, these are the 4 seasons where you will be traveling. Okay, if you want to connect with your friends, if you are planning a reunion, if you want to meet friends and you are like, when I'll meet my friends in this pandemic situation, is it even possible that I'll be meeting my family and friends? Yes, it's possible. These four seasons, yeah, maybe there is an unexpected travel. That is the thing, that is universe telling you, like, yeah, and these 4 seasons will be most successful for you guys because there is wish coming true. Okay, yeah, Taurus, like, yeah, Taurus, yeah, it's finished, right? Taurus season is already finished. So maybe you planted some seeds in this month. Yeah, yeah, if you have done that, I see the growth happening for you guys. So yeah, there is a lot of travel element. If you like traveling, yeah, that is going to be possible for you guys. You might travel to a lot of places, or maybe through travel you might make friends. For some of you, it's like if you are YouTubers, or if you do like Instagram or something, your videos might circulate through, everyone around the world will see your videos. That is quite possible. I feel like a lot of success, a lot of victory, completion of a cycle, beginning of a new cycle. So the end of phase where you were hard work, I feel this pile is like very hardworking people. You used to do a lot of hard work, so it's like your hard work is going to pay off for sure. That is what is the message from the universe, and you are going to celebrate that with your friends. But the thing most, if you are planning like reunion, if you want to meet your family, if you are living alone right now and you're like manifesting that is going to happen very soon, guys. Like Leo season or Scorpio season, yeah, possible. Even Aquarius, yeah. Yeah, next 6 months I see travel for you guys. So you are like, if you have lost hope right now, no, I'll not be able to travel, I'll not be able to see my family, I'll not be able to do this pandemic situation is not getting over, like blah blah blah, like a lot of things, right? Sometimes we feel very negative about it. For some of you, it's like all you want to do is to travel, and that is your wish, it's coming true. Okay, that is the message here. And meeting your friends, maybe for some of you, you will be meeting your friends through like Zoom, through like FaceTiming them and making a connection with them. Lot of maybe for some of you it's like you're forming a community, and this community will support you, and through this community you will make your wishes fulfill. Like maybe for some of you it can be like YouTube community. You're forming a strong community where you will be followed by a lot of people, and through that you will make your money. You will monetize your YouTube channel, monetizing like TikTok or whatever you do, I don't know, but definitely monetizing things, doing the thing you're passionate about. So it's like a dream come true. Maybe for some of you it's like your dream career. You have a dream career that is happening. If you have like a dream of traveling different countries, that is coming true. Like for some of you, you might even marry a person who is like not from your country or something like that. That is also I see, like when you will be traveling, you will meet this person, and you will connect. So yeah, this person might be from a different country. For some of you, I don't know, I feel like that. But this for some of you, you will just vibe with this person. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Like a lot of victory, a lot of success. That is what I feel. Reunion, meeting, fulfilled, emotionally feeling fulfilled. Like, right? Sometimes we get money, but we never feel like full. Sometimes we don't feel emotionally satisfied. For you guys, it's like whatever this thing is yours. When you will receive it, you will feel so happy, so fulfilled, so grateful, right? So yeah, that is what universe wants you to know, that don't worry right now. Everything will be all right. You will be able to meet your family. You will be able to do the things you want to do with your family. You will be able to go out. You will be able to shop with them. You will be able to say that jokes and laugh, right? You will be able to share your stories. Okay, you will be able to, for some of you, it's like you want to meet new people. You will be able to do that also. Okay. And for some of you it's like your community is getting very stronger. You will have a lot of support. I feel like these people will support you. Yeah, your work will be appreciated. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what else. Yeah, again, travel aspect, sorry, travel aspect. Here we have passport, we have a bag. Yeah, travel. For some of you it's like your dream to travel. You want to travel, you want to see the world, and that's possible. That's what universe is telling you right now, that is possible. You can go. For some of you, you want to travel abroad, and like you want to, maybe you want to learn something. Maybe you want to you have a university that you want to study from. So that is quite possible. You might be able to do that. You might be able to travel. That is, maybe for some of you, that is your dream, to travel abroad and study there. So you can do that. That is also, I see for you guys, that is also going to happen. So yeah, you will have to take the risk. You will have to walk away from your family, but you will, I feel, even if you will be away from your family, you will find friends that will connect with you. So you don't have to worry. Or for some of you, you might get a good relationship also. I told you, maybe for some of you it's like you will be connecting with a person who is not from your country, who is from a different place, who speaks different language. Okay, or maybe you will have these kinds of friends who speak different language, who are not from our own like country. Something like that is also like different cultures coming together. Maybe you love to read about different cultures, you love to explore, you love to see, you will be learning a lot about them, you will be connecting with them, like different cultures, different peoples coming together, different maybe eating different kind of food. Yeah, exploring things. You're going to explore things. You love exploring, you're going to do that. And the things you want to seek, that will seek you. Okay. Yeah, Leo, passion. You're going to enjoy life, and you're going to become very, very attractive. Yeah, if you're single, yeah, I feel you will attract a lot of people, right? Yeah, you want to explore things, and you're going to do that. If you want to travel, through travel you will explore things, you will research a lot of things, you will get new ideas, you will work on that ideas, and you're going to be very confident. So be confident, guys. I know you are confident, but be even if there is challenges, Be strong, guys, because you can make your wish come true. And your wish of travel, I feel like you want to travel, you want to study, somewhere else, you want to go out of your country and go to a new place, settle there, whatever your wishes, that will be true. Okay, so don't lose hope, don't stop seeking, don't stop manifesting, do your scripting, do your work. If there is like paperwork pending, that will also be okay. I feel like with this passport, I'm seeing this passport, your passport will be okay, you will get that visa and all, whatever it is, it will be okay. So let's see. Oh, December, so they gave you a time frame. The secret is December month. Okay, for some of you, this month is when the things will be all good and you will be able to travel. Maybe for some of you, you want to meet your family, that is quite possible. Yeah, short journey. Okay, then what we have? Older woman. Okay, for some of you, it's like you will be able to travel and you will be able to meet your grandmother or something. For some of you, you want to, like, yeah, short travel, short journey. Yeah, for some of you that is also possible. And with this short journey, it can be, I feel like it is like you're going there studying and you'll be coming back to your country or something like that is also quite possible. So yeah, but yeah, for some of you, if you want to meet your grandmother or your mother, that is also coming. You will be able to do it, yeah, in the month of December. Or maybe an older woman will help you financially for this travel. That is also, I feel like. Okay, so involvement with the law. Okay, so with this law, yeah, maybe with this passport thing, documents, right? Sometimes it's problem, it's an hassle to get that document right, to get that visa right, so many things, right? So maybe that all will be resolved by the month of December. Okay, so that is what universe wants you to know. Your wishes are coming true. Get ready for celebration. You will get good friendship, right? That is what I feel like. A lot of good people. Even though you will be in a different country, you will make friends. Okay, good friends. Look, success. The spring. Secret spring. So yeah, so whatever paperwork is pending or whatever it is, it will be okay. Maybe for some of you yeah, for this paperwork you might have to travel, like that is also, I feel like, small travel, maybe a different place you have to go and do your paperwork and all, and then you will be okay. Everything will be okay by December. That is what spirit is saying here, universe is saying. You will be able to reap your reward, success is coming. Look, we have the Sagittarius energy, the light is going to shine through you, right? I'm getting the Sag vibe. Maybe you're Sagittarius. You love to travel. You love to explore. You love to know about different cultures. Yes, you will be able to do it. Okay, so relax, guys, because all this is happening. Your passion, whatever you're passionate about, you will be able to do it. You will be able to communicate with a lot of people. You will be able to make a lot of friends. You will be able to have a community for some of you where your voice is very important, where you will be speaking the things and people will be supporting you. That is also, I feel like. Okay, and your grandmother loves you. I feel like for some of you, it's like your grandmother will help you or support you with some finances, I feel. Or yeah, that is also, I feel like. But yeah, documents, any problems with documents, visa and all, it is going to be resolved. Okay, yeah, a journey is coming, a short journey for some of you. Yeah, you will go there, study and come back. Or maybe for some of you, it's like you will go to a different country, explore there, learn about their cultures and come back. Okay, whatever it is. So the thing you're manifesting, like travel, I feel like travel vibe was strong for this spiral. It's coming true. Success is coming. You're going to reap the rewards. This spring season is coming. Very lot of, the spring season is all about new beginnings. Like flowers are blooming. It's so beautiful. Like spring is so beautiful. So that is what is going to come for you guys. So be patient, guys. Yeah, there's little more time, like December month. And we have 9 also. Yeah, so 9th September might be important for you guys. I feel like that is also. Yeah, because we have 9 again here. Right? Aquarius season. Yeah, take notes, okay? Aquarius season, Scorpio season, Leo season, and next Taurus. These 4 seasons are going to be very important for you guys. So that's it for my group number 1. Bye-bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you chose this orange butterfly, let's see what is your reading, what are the secrets from the universe. So I'm gonna start with tarot cards. So the first card is Ace of Wands. Beautiful. So you can be a fire sign. We have Cancer. So Chariot, Cancer sign, Leo, Sag, Aries, and air sign also, okay? Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Okay, and I'm feeling for some of you, the secret that the universe wants you to know is that your manifestation might, you might receive a manifestation in the Cancer season, okay? Yeah, Cancer season. Or next spring season also. I feel like the next spring season is going to be very important, and the Cancer season is going to be very important for you guys. So yeah, Cancer is like coming, like it's June, right? Yeah, June 22nd Cancer starts. So yeah, that month is going, June to July will be very good for you guys. Some manifestations are going to come. Maybe you will travel at that time. That is also quite possible. Movement, moving forward. Okay, so the first message that I'm seeing for you guys, look at this, 10 of Swords and 7 of Swords. So end of toxic relationships in your life, guys. That is what the message is here. Maybe in your past you have gone through a lot of toxic relationship, maybe narcissistic relationships in your life, but like the universe is now saying that no more of that type of relationship. You are not going to attract these kind of people, okay? So that is the secret. So if you are worrying like whether I will meet a friend again and that is also going to be toxic, no, this is not going to be like that way, okay? So maybe you have seen like that, like for you guys, maybe you meet one person and they are very good at first, and then they become toxic, and then you get out of that phase of your life, and then you meet another person and that person also becomes the same, right? Maybe for some of you it's like a cycle where you meet only these kind of people. So the universe message is like you are out of that kind of vibration. No, you know you're not going to attract anymore that kind of relationships. You're not going to attract, like if it can be friendship, sometimes we make a lot of friends and all the friends might not be so good for us. For some of you, I even feel like you don't have a true friend, but finally you are getting out of that vibration. I feel like in the future you are going to attract true friendship, okay? That is what, you're out of this narcissistic relationship toxic patterns. For some of you it's your own toxic patterns. You're out of that, like you're not going to vibe with any people who do gossip, or who envy other people, like who are jealous of other people. You are not going to be in that thing anymore. That is the secret from the universe. You are out of that vibration. You are in this higher vibration. Your vibration is completely shifting, my lovelies. My group number 2, you are doing great work. You have been doing a good shadow. I feel like you're doing like a lot of inner work. So you're becoming more kinder, you're becoming more compassionate, and you're not your past self anymore. You're a different person all over. You have transformed a lot, right? So yeah, you are letting go of your limited beliefs. Maybe for some of you, even now, maybe you feel like that you're not that worthy, or you are not that confident, you cannot make it happen, or you cannot be a CEO or whatever. Maybe sometimes we put that, right, limited beliefs on ourselves. I feel you're getting out of it. That is what is happening. That is I feel the universe is giving you like a little sneak peek here, that they're telling you you're not going to be this person anymore who will self sabotage. Maybe you do that, like you sabotage yourself. You're not going to do that anymore. You're going to be in your power, and you're going to take action when you need to. You're not going to do anything impulsively. You will think before you take the action, right? And even I feel your intuition is also going to be very, very strong. You're getting a lot of messages from spirit. You're making a connection. What are you guys doing? Are you meditating? Are you taking your psychic ability seriously? Maybe in the past you knew you had, but you never took it seriously. Now you're like trying to improve that. You're working on yourself. You're trying to open up your third eye chakra. What are you doing? You're doing great, okay? So that is what universe is telling you. Your vibration is shifting. You are coming into a higher vibration, guys. Like maybe you were in this low vibration of anger, guilt, because the vibration, like the emotions, like when we are very angry, when we are guilty, when we feel envious, when we are jealous, we are in this low vibration, right? Now you are getting into this higher vibration where you are not caring what others have to say. You're not taking other people's negative emotions. You are in this high vibe of love, compassion, kindness. So that is what is happening. So yeah, you are letting go of all that relationships that is not serving you. You are standing in your power. If someone says something to you, you are like, I don't care, that's not me, I know who I am. You're like, maybe in the past you never, you didn't have that confidence like to say that I know who I am. Like if someone makes you feel like you're not worthy, you used to feel like, oh, that I'm not worthy, I'm not capable. But now you're like, I know who I am. You don't have to say that, because that I'm not gonna take that. Like that kind of energy. You're becoming very strong. Yeah. So then we have the Ace of Wands and the Chariot here. Look, you're moving forwards. For some of you, it's like I see a relocation here, a new place, maybe a place where the weather is very nice. For some of you, I feel like you might receive an offer to go to a place where the weather is like, it's not cold, at the same time it's not so hot also, like a very good weather place. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, for some of you, I see that there is a travel happening, there is a relocation happening, or for some of you, it's like a new house you always wanted to. Maybe you are moving out of a place that is toxic, and finally moving into a place that is so beautiful, like surrounded with greenery, like yeah, and you will meet good people there. For some of you, yeah. But definitely there is like movement towards progress. You're going to progress in your life. That is what the universe wants you to know. This is your past. Look, with this 10 of swords and 7 of swords, this was your past. You were in this cycle, like, or maybe for some of you, you were in this in between worlds, where you were like one foot in your past, one foot in your like future, like that kind of energy where you were not feeling good. But you're finally getting out of that energy also. I feel like you're moving towards a very better phase of your life. Okay. Public recognition is also what I see, being recognized for your own efforts. Like people are recognizing you finally for your own ideas. Maybe you were in a workplace where your ideas were not taken seriously, or maybe people used to take your ideas and make their own, right? People do that kind of things, but you're finally moving to a workplace where your ideas will be taken seriously, where you will be taken seriously. Maybe people thought that you are not so capable, so they didn't take you seriously in the past, but that's not the case anymore. You are going to be taken seriously. You're going to have a place for you in the society. That is what I feel. People will respect you. Okay, that is what you're moving forward. A lot of recognition, rewards. For some of you, I even feel like for your work, maybe you will be the best employer of the month, like that kind of award. Maybe you will receive some kind of recognition for your ideas. If you're in a creative play, if you're very creative people, I see a lot of growth, lot of ideas coming your way, like new ideas, because you're very connected with the spirit. Look, we have this black and white, like, you are going to be very aware of your black and white energies. You know what part of you is good. Sometimes when we are not aware of it, that's when the problem. When we are aware of our two sides, we know what we need to do, and that's the thing. You know what you need to change in yourself, and when we know that, we do that, right? So you're going to be very aware of the things, and your color is like full yellow color. So yeah, a lot of brightness, a lot of sunshine is coming your way. You're moving forward, a lot of movement, new start, for some of you it can be a new job, new career, altogether new idea that is going to change your life. Like, but definitely getting out of these kind of people, these kind of toxic relationship, your own self-doubt, self-sabotage. You're becoming more confident, more courageous. Yeah, look. Yeah, I told you, very connected with the spirit, and we have the angel, and this is the best card to get, guys, I have to say, because angelic guidance, like spiritual guidance, protection from harm. You're so protected. Like in the past you weren't, I feel like, because of your own vibration. I feel like you were in this low vibration. When we are in this low vibration, we attract low vibe people. So, but finally this is the end. That is what your universe wants you to know, that this is the end. You're so connected with the divine. I feel for many of you know that, but then do you doubt yourself or something like that? So yeah, like universe is telling that. I feel for you guys, there is no secret, because you know everything. Your intuition is on point. For some of you, I even feel like that. You know that this is going to end, and I'm going to a better place in my life. Yeah, finally. And even if even if you come across these kind of people, you know how to remove yourself from the situation, or how to get out of that situation. You will know that because your intuition is going to be so strong. Look, because your angels are with you, they are guiding you, they are protecting you. You're so protected from all the toxic people, right? You're protected, your intuition, your intuitive nudge. So always trust it, guys, because your angels are with you. This is your blessing. The universe is telling you don't have to worry about anything now. All you need to do is to focus on your plans and keep moving forward, and focus on your ideas. No one can take anything from you, okay? So only be confident, be courageous, be yeah, you're beautiful people, okay? Remember that. Look at the candle, the way will be shown. When you are feeling low, when you feel like what you should do next, you will be shown the way. Just ask your angels, okay? They are with you. They will give you this new idea, new perspective on this part. You will get it very easily. I feel like you're so connected. Look at, you will be playing a different role. Yes, you're going to play a very different role. You're not going to in the past, I feel you used to fulfill other people's dreams and desires, and you used to keep your dreams and desires aside. But now you're not going to do that anymore. Your desire, your dream is going to be your top priority. Right? You're going to take stand for yourself. Maybe in the past, or maybe now also, people take you for granted, but that's not going to happen anymore. You're going to take your stand. You're going to wear a different hat all over again, because now people are going to respect you. Like, yeah, that is what I feel. Look, the sun is rising. Yeah, you're rising above your obstacles. You are becoming very strong, confident, because you know your angels are with you. Right? So let's see what else. Gemini, communication. Again, look at the butterfly. We got the butterfly is also transformation. A lot of changes. You're transforming. You're changing your perception. Perception. Sorry, your perception. You're changing your perception about life. You're changing your perception about yourself. Who you used to think you are, you don't think that like that anymore. Like you're changing things about yourself. You used to think that you're meant to be like, for some of you, you used to think that I'll not be successful, I will only have this much money. But you're changing that. You're changing about so many things about yourself, okay? And when the inner changes, the outer also changes, right? So you are working on your inner self, and when you are going to be very peaceful people in the future, okay? I have to say that, because your vibration will be very high if you're resonating though. Okay, yeah, I feel like you're doing the inner work, you're doing it. So yeah, lot of information from the universe. I feel this is not, you know, all these things, it's just a confirmation for some of you. You know it intuitively, you know it, that you are going to be out of these things. You're going to take stand for yourself, and in your career, in your relationship, you're going to see a lot of progress. You're moving forward, you're making a name for yourself, okay? You're very good at your communication skill is also good, I feel like, with this Gemini, okay? So maybe there will be people who will tell you that you're not good at that, you cannot communicate properly, but you are going to prove them wrong. That is what I feel like, because you will be on point. Your communication skills will be on point. Maybe you're storytellers. Maybe you want to do something related to, like, maybe you want to voice out, like you need to share your opinion, right? Don't be afraid to do that. Share your opinion, share your truth, okay? If you feel like I need to make this video about this crime, or maybe you're very interested in crime things and all, maybe it's for some of you, or maybe you want to dig deeper and research about it and make videos about it, go for it, do it, guys. You're very good at this communication skill. That is what I feel, okay? And when you start putting out yourself, when you start doing that, when you start putting yourself out, you will receive lot of feedback, good feedback. I'm getting a lot of recognition. People will be like, yeah, I want to collaborate with you, I want to work with you, like that kind of energy I'm getting. Like a lot of transformation, a lot of beautiful transformation for you guys. In relationship also, many people will, like, you will become so confident. When we are confident now, we have a different energy, and people will be attracted to that energy of yours. So if you're single, expect like a lot of people commenting. If you post your pictures, like a lot of people will be like, wow, you look so beautiful, like that kind of comments you can expect. And people will be DMing you, like asking for dates. That is also I see for you guys, a lot of communication here. Yeah. Okay, but the butterfly effect, like it's like something like, yeah, butterfly effect. So Google, see a video about it, or do some research about it. Maybe you will get your answer there, something like that. Okay, that is a secret here. The universe just gave me that. Look, the mystery, look what I told you, psychic abilities is on point. For some of you, if you're trying to improve your psychic abilities, go with it, because you're going to be very good at it. Maybe for some of you, you might if you're interested in the spirituality in tarot, you will be good at it. That is also I'm seeing. But definitely your knowing is, you know a lot of things, your intuition is on point. For some of you, I even feel like your dreams are very, very, it's going to be very significant. So if you see something in your dreams, Google about it, because that is the universe giving you certain messages. Okay, so yeah. For some of you, I even feel like you see your future in your dreams. Okay, maybe other people's future. So that is also quite possible here for you guys, because yeah, spirit communicates through you. You are the medium for some of you, I feel like. So yeah. So that is the secret. You have this psychic abilities. Okay, if you're confused about it, remember that you have it. Like universe is telling, yes, what you think is like true. Like if you feel that intuitive nudge, it's true. Yeah. So yeah, for some of you, I feel like you receive a lot of messages, a lot of secrets of other people. I feel like that also. Interesting. But yeah, this is your power. Okay, don't take it lightly, take it seriously, work on it. You can build your intuition, right? Focus, meditate. Okay, like Google search, read books about it. You will get better at it, and you can make a very strong connection with your angels. If you have already that connection, don't worry, because it's going to increase. But if you feel like you're not so connected with your angels and all, just research about it, read books about it, because you can do it. Group number 2, this is your ability, this is your talent. You're meant for this. You're meant to have a connection with the divine. Okay, look at the crystal, amethyst crystal. Maybe you need to buy that. If you have already, work with it. Okay, yeah, you know a lot of things. I feel for many of you there is some mystery. Maybe for some of you it's like you might see some ghosts and all, also like some haunting things also, like something weird things might happen. Okay, don't get scared. That is what the universe wants you to know. Okay, some sort of mystery. You're mysterious. I feel like, okay, oh, I'm getting one message also. So if you have an idea, don't tell it to anyone. Okay, keep that to yourself and work on it. Let your success speak. Okay, don't share your ideas to anyone. But definitely your intuition is very, 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 very strong. Okay guys, you can trust your intuition. Your intuition is on point, because the spirit is communicating to you through your dreams, maybe through, like, if you see a sign, maybe that is their message. So yeah, be like focused. Okay, whenever you see something, if you feel like it's for you, just it's for you. That's that, no question. Okay, so let's look. We are ending with a bluebird spirit, happiness. So yeah, what I told you, happiness, happy times. 7, look, spiritual development, learning, researching a lot of things, meditating, understanding about a lot of things. Like lot of doors are opening, like a lot of curtains are opening up. A lot of knowledge are coming, right? Yeah, you're going to feel a lot of emotions also, I feel like yeah, lot of happiness, lot of growth for you guys, spiritual growth. Okay, lot of growth, lot of understanding. You're changing your view about your life. You're seeing yourself differently. Okay, the way you used to see yourself in the mirror, it's going to be different now. Okay, you're going to rock, guys. Group number 2, that is the thing. Universe wants you to know that you are getting out of a toxic toxic behavior, toxic, if it's your behavior, you're getting out of it also. You're going to be in a higher vibration. You're going to be in a higher vibration. That is for my group number 2. Okay, and when we are in higher vibration, we attract so much of goodness, right? Lot of happiness. That is what is happening for my group number 2. Okay, bye bye guys. So group number 3, if you chose this yellow color butterfly, let's see where this yellow color, lot of shine, lot of growth, the sun is going to shine on you. So if you are feeling very low, this reading is telling, the universe is saying that lot of shine is coming your way. Look at your cards, 3 major arcanas and the 3 beautiful cards of the tarot deck. Look at that. What do I do here? We have Fool. Look at the color. Oh my god. I've never seen these 3 combo, right? This is the first time I'm seeing. Like I pulled you, seriously, I just shuffled and I got these 3 cards. And look at the color. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Lot of shine, lot of brightness is coming your way. Lot of abundance. For some of you, receiving lot of money. Okay, renewal. I'm seeing your relationships are getting better. Like for some of you, if you had problem in your relationship, like you're making, for some of you it's like you're breaking free completely from that relationship and moving towards a new path. And for others, I feel like your relationships, you're making, like you're resolving all the misunderstandings, right? For some of you, yeah, misunderstanding, you're resolving all the misunderstanding, and everyone is coming together. You're like, if you're in your family, there were problems, there were arguments, everyone is coming together. The shine, like a lot of happiness, maybe in your family or in your extended family, there might be birth of a new child, and getting a girl child. For some of you, you might be pregnant, because we have Empress and the Sun, the 2. Yeah, for some of you, that is the secret here. You might get pregnant, right? A new life, right? Parenthood. For some of you, that is the thing. Parenthood. That is your new life. That is the secret. The universe wants you to know. Like a lot of happiness is going to come with this child. For some of you, it's like a new career, new job, new life altogether. For others, it's like reaping the rewards. Like your hard work is going to pay off. A lot of happiness is coming that way. For some of you, it's like a child birth that is going to happen in your family, and that will bring a lot of sunshine. For some of you, you will, like, I'm getting the seasons, the important seasons for you guys will be Leo, will be Virgo season, or Taurus also, I feel like, and Fool, like that way. Aquarius season is I'm seeing. So yeah, next year January will be important for you guys. Next year January, I'm getting Leo season. July, maybe in July you might receive a very good news. July, and Virgo season also. For some of you, your love life is going to be abundant. For some of you, you might meet this person who is going to be very kind and compassionate, and maybe for some of you, you might marry this person. That is also, I feel like yeah, marriage, like celebration, marriage, baby shower, new job, feeling happy, feeling fulfilled, like that is the thing is happening. So if you're, I don't know how you're feeling right now, but your future looks bright, guys. That is what the universe wants you to know. You don't have to stress. If you're trying to get pregnant, if you're not getting pregnant right now, don't stress about it, because you will. This good news, this amazing news this is going to happen for you guys if you want to get pregnant. Okay, don't worry about it. The child will be very, very healthy. Okay, so yeah, if you need to if that's the thing you wanted to hear, yes, it's happening. Okay, lot of freedom, like lot of freedom, like financial freedom. I'm feeling like if you want to travel, you can travel. You don't have to be very stressed about it, because you will have the money. If someone, you will be able to help other people also. For some of you, I feel like you might receive some money. That is also, I'm feeling, maybe someone will give you some money, inheritance. Maybe for some of you, that is also possible, and because of that, you will be very happy. So lot of happiness with these three major arcanas. What I have to say, lot of happiness, lot of growth, lot of fulfillment, reaping your rewards, lot of kindness is coming your way. You're becoming kind. Lot of kind gestures will come, like people will come to your home, like give you gifts. That is also, I feel like, yeah, maybe you will celebrate something, maybe marriage will happen, because of that you will receive a lot of gifts. So marriage, baby shower, celebrating, like getting a promotion, that is also, I feel like, you might be celebrating. So your life is going to be very stress free, because with this Fool, you know, the Fool doesn't stress a lot. That is what I feel like. Lot of stress free energies I'm getting, very balanced energies. So let's see. Look, we have second house assets. Yeah, Taurus might be an important season next year. Taurus, maybe for you guys, you know, I even feel like this Virgo Leo season, something will start. Yeah, that is when something will start happening, and then it will progress. Yeah, so maybe for some of you, if you're planning to start a business, go for it, because this business will thrive. Okay, yeah, home business, if you want to do some home business, or maybe you want to start some child care thing, go for it, because this will give you a lot of growth. Look, lot of assets, lot of money coming your way. For some of you, you will receive a lot of money, maybe inheritance. I'm getting this inheritance. Maybe, yeah, you will be able to buy all the things you want to buy. Yeah, maybe a car. If you want to buy a car, you might buy a car, a house. Yeah, that is all happening for you guys. Oh, look, new job and career. Yeah, for some of you, definitely this new job and career, maybe a new business for some of you. And with this, I even feel like, you know, this job of yours, this new job will give you a lot of security and stability. So high paying job I'm getting here for you guys. It's going to be a very high paying job. It will give you a lot of money. Oh, look, we have boat. Money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall, maybe lottery. Okay, for some of you it can be lottery. And yeah, we have this Empress and Sun card, and we have Taurus, and then we have boat. What do I say? It's all about money, receiving a lot of money, receiving a lot of happiness, yeah, celebrating life, getting a lot of gifts, receiving money, maybe receiving a job offer that is very good, like starting a business that is going to thrive. It's all about money, a lot of money, a lot of success, lot of success. That is what is for you guys. That is the secret. Okay, look at the sunflower, becoming independent, financially free. Okay. Oh, but you have these two cards come with an advice, guys. Beware of self delusion and take care, or there will be loss of material wealth. Okay, so if you're investing your money into something, you will receive a lot of money, that's for sure. But this is an advice for you guys. So invest properly. Think before you spend on things, because when we get a lot of money, when we receive a lot of happiness, sometimes we don't know what we need to do next. We get confused, or maybe for some of you, your behavior might change. So don't let that happen. Okay, be grateful to the universe, because when if the universe can give, the universe can take away those things also. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing I feel like. So that's just an advice from the universe, because there is a lot of happiness, there is a lot of security, stability. Money wise, I see a lot of growth for you guys. So yeah, don't beware of self delusion. Don't be so caught up on your head. Don't get like, sometimes when we receive a lot of money, we change our attitude. Don't let that happen, and invest properly the money. Okay, don't waste on things. Yeah, don't waste. And we got hummingbird, because I just shuffled now this card, and look, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, a lot of growth, a lot of renewal. Look, balance, your angels are with you. But this is an advice from the universe. Okay, so don't let that happen. Invest into something that is good, right? Don't waste your money. Don't do things that is not out of love. Okay, look, love is going to be very important. So if you can help anyone, just help them. Okay, So yeah, that is the message for you guys, and this is very positive. Okay, I have to say that. But these two cards, beware of these two things. That's why. Otherwise, you might lose this, right? So yeah, sharing is caring. I'm getting that word also. You will be able to share that to other people. For some of you, it's like you can give it to your family back. You know, you can give a lot of happiness to your family. Give it. Maybe, yeah, if you win lottery, just don't spend it like, sometimes we do things like without thinking. Have a proper plan. Okay, that is very important. Okay, that's for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.